I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which column must go. Click the column letter or press Ctrl plus space to highlight it. Once selected, make sure you have a recent backup. Use Ctrl plus S or save, as this prevents accidental data loss. If the column contains formulas, check dependent cells first so you understand the consequences. Once done, inspect the selection visually. Confirm only that column is highlighted, not adjacent data. This avoids shifting the wrong cells later. Now you remove the column using one of three approaches. Right-click the selection and pick Delete. Use the Home ribbon, Delete Sheet columns, or clear only contents if you need the structure. Right-click Delete shifts remaining columns left, preserving sheet layout. Use Clear Contents when you want to retain formatting or comments. Once done, verify formulas and references elsewhere. Make sure named ranges aren't broken. If multiple columns need removal, repeat the exact steps for each selection. Finish by validating the sheet. Scan formulas, named ranges, and pivot tables for #ref or unexpected values. If something looks wrong, press Ctrl plus Z immediately to undo the deletion. That often fixes accidental removes. Once done, save a new version to preserve the corrected state. If you closed the file or undo doesn't help, reopen your backup copy created earlier. One quick troubleshooting tip: use Find Ctrl plus F to search for #.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.